Mini enthusiasts, how are you doing? I hope you're well and I hope you're having a great day. So today we're going to be doing some paintwork on the Racing Green. I'll talk about what products we're using in a moment, but basically in the last episode we cleaned off all the underside, got rid of all the loose paint, treated any rust, done a bit of welding, and now we're going to paint the underside. So let me turn the camera around and I'll show you what I'm using. So the paint I'm using is going to be the UPol Raptor liner, and it's tinted. So it's tinted British Racing Green, same colour as the car. It comes as two parts, the Raptor, and then you get a tin of hardener as well. Now I've used this under the bonnet and under the inner wings, and I use like a Schutz gun, which gives a really sort of orange peely speckly finish. For the underneath I'm actually going to spray it with a spray gun, but I've got a 2mm tip in here, so that's a very big tip. It will hopefully give around about the same finish but go on better using a spray gun, because the Schutz guns, they just make a complete mess. So we're going to mix it up, Raptor, hardener, and we're going to add some thinners as well, just to get it through the gun nicely. So fingers crossed this all goes okay. I'll be back in a moment when we've got some paint on and we'll see what it looks like. Right then, all done. I had too much paint, so I thought I'd do the sill as well, which I did do, but then I didn't have enough to do the other side, so I'm going to need to buy some more, maybe one more bottle of tinted UPol Raptor. But I'm pretty pleased with how it went on. That 2mm nozzle, yeah, you get the desired orange peel effect. It's just always a little bit difficult when you're spraying on the floor and you're trying to spray upwards because it's a gravity fed gun. So do struggle a little bit. We'll have a look what it looks like. I'm pretty pleased with the finish on it. However, being that it's a dark colour, I don't know what it's going to come out like on camera. But I'm pretty pleased. I will probably leave the garage like it is. There's Mark's spray mate extractor there. And get PL back in, order the paint, and then I'll do the other side next week. Otherwise I'm going to have to cover all the garage up again. So I'll probably leave all the coverings on the floor. I'll just cover it up because the paint gets everywhere. I'll get another bottle, then I'll finish off the sill on that side. And then that's pretty much the underside of the car, all welded up, all painted. We can then start building up the rear subframe to go back in. So let's turn around and have a look. So like I say, because it's a dark paint, I don't know how it's going to come out on the car. But it still goes on quite thick with a spray gun rather than a Schutz gun. Pretty good coverage. I do notice, like Mark found out with the Cooper S, you have to put quite a lot on because it can be a little bit transparent to begin with. So there we go, nice and thick where it needs to be thick. Got right up inside that rear valance, right up inside the arches, all the heel board. Back, I don't think I missed anywhere. Like I say, it is hard because you're laying on your back painting, but I think it's okay. So there we go. Like I say, I'm going to leave it all covered up. I'll get the other bit done next weekend. Right, can't quite remember where we got to last time, but this is 1 week later. I ran out of that UPol Raptor. So I've done the sill on this side. I need to do the other side and maybe a second coat. So I've ordered some UPol Raptor. I've actually ordered the paint for the car now. I've got clear lacquer. I've got, I think, everything to paint the car. Now, I'm really happy with the finish, but it's even though it's tinted, it's meant to be metallic British Racing Green. You can't really see the metallic in it, and it's a matte finish. So I think I'm just gonna blast some clear lacquer over the areas that you can see. So bear with me. This is a side that is still the original seal. Obviously I've got a bit of paint on there, but I need to finish it off now. Right then, I think we're done. So I've finished off the UPol Raptor. I've done another coat on this side, and obviously I've done the other seal as well, and I've just blown it over with 2 coats of clear lacquer as well. Just like I say, the finish on the Raptor is not shiny, it's matte finish, and I think it will look odd. So I've whacked some lacquer on it, and yeah, it's looking much better. So let's have a quick look around. I've just noticed I've got a couple of runs there. Maybe went a bit heavy on the lacquer. Like I said, I've done inside the arches as well. I've not done the full underside of the car because there's just no point. So it's looking all good. You can actually see the metallic in the Raptor now. And up inside the arch. Then underneath. So I'm really pleased with that. Quite a messy job. Lots of faffing around, masking up. But it's all done now and looking good. So thanks once again. It's another step closer to getting the car finished. I guess the next job's going to be building up the subframe, getting everything sorted out at the back end there. Then I can get the subframe in. Yeah, feels like we made some decent progress. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. Please remember to give it a thumbs up if you did. If you want to drop me a comment, I do read all the comments. And once again, thanks for tuning back in, and I'll catch you again next week. Cheers.